Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this is Polybag 30365, and this is the City Space Satellite. Now, I'm not 100% sure about how the city and the space satellite, I guess maybe it's one of those things like the satellite comes from the city. So, anyway, if you enjoy this kind of video, and you like these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these Polybag build-alongs one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, there's more on the way. Also, if you want to build along with me, I've included links in the description where you can find the set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and there is also a link to the brick set page for this if you're interested in just information about the particular set. I, however, am interested in this. Alright, this is kind of cool looking. So, this is the astronauts' like backpack and headgear thing, and so we'll snap on the visor, make sure I'm snapping in the right direction. I guess it's like this, right? That's toward the top. The bumpy thing is toward the top, so snaps on like this. Alright, that's cool. So that's that. Now let's take care of our astronaut. Alright. Let's see, let's find this dude's feet. And there's nothing else like a belt or anything. And we're not going to see him, but this is his face, such as it is. And he doesn't have any expressions. He actually is probably doing good getting the face out of this deal, because I don't think you're ever going to see it with the helmet on. No. I do, however, have to put his headgear. Oh, it goes over the head. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I like that a lot better than the things that like sit under the stud of the head. Alright, so this goes on here, and then it sits in like that. And then we have this, and this, and then this. So I guess it's supposed to be a light, maybe? Like a shoulder light? It's kind of cool, though. I like the option you have here. And homie gets a wrench. Alright, so we got a wrench. Alright, so this takes care of our astronaut buddy. Now we gotta build the satellite. So let's check this out. Alright. Let's see. I'm actually kind of liking this set, because I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but here's some printed bricks for the panels, and I kind of think you could do a lot with these. These could be more than just the panels on the satellite if you wanted. Anyway. Alright. So we took care of that. Now let's see. We're gonna put another little blinky light thing right here, and a keypad. Another kind of cool printed piece. I like the keypad. I feel like you can never have too many of those little detail pieces. Alright, so we got that, and we put these on. So here, and here. I tell you what, I kind of feel like if you had a cityscape that you were working on, maybe you could like take this particular set and the astronaut and hang them from the ceiling or something. That'd be kind of cool. You could combine it with that the little shuttle. Alright, so this takes us to here. We pop this on like so, and then this piece. I feel like I'm building the V'ger from Star Wars. I'm not the Star Wars, from Star Trek. Alright. So, pop that on top. And like so. And then we kind of rotate it a little bit in a weird sort of way. We rotate it this way. And we snap this on here. Anything like that. And then we build two of those things. Alright. So get this, and a clippy thing. That's the technical term for that particular piece of Lego. This is a clippy thing, and then we put the two panels on them. These panels are actually really cool looking. I like them a lot. You take the two solar panels, and take two more solar panels for the other side. And then we attach these to either side. Make sure I'm facing them the right way. So 1 and 2, like so. And then we need this, the little spyglass, and this, and that goes right there, like so. And we have our satellite. And look. This is kind of neat. They gave us an extra, one of the extra pieces was a keypad. The other extra pieces, by the way, are these right here. So, I like this. This is a cool little set. You get some neat pieces. You get these, I don't think they're unique to this. No, they're not, because you can see them in some of these. Like they're in that set, and that set, maybe they're in that set. They look like they're in these sets anyway. So they're probably not unique, but they're neat looking. I like them. I like the little satellite. That's a cool little set. Anyway, let me know what you think. Also, if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.